Hello guys, in this video how to Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your YouTube channel name. First, open your browser and type studio and google.com and on sign in your YouTube channel. I am already YouTube channel and sign in, and then click the right top corner your DP and drop down menu, select the your channel option. Now this page appear on the front, and click the custom channel. Now this page for the your customization for your channel, and click the basic info. First option is the layout, second branding, and third basic info. Click the basic info, and now channel name and description. My channel name is food lover. I want to change the name food lover, food lovers now. Click the edit button and food lover now. Then the right top corner the button is a publish. Click now. Yes, now you can see this your channel name food lover now. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates.